Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Uyabona mekukhulunywa ama-team serious ngempela ekuneni league. Yabona mekukhulunywa ngeMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns are going to sign umdlali oqhamuka le Colombia. Lo mdlali bafethu kuthiwa uyi-striker una 25 years old. Lo mdlali ke le ungenzeka uthi uzo-replace abani uLucas Ribeiro. Lucas Ribeiro, he was the player who was playing for Mamelodi Sundowns, but ke he left to join iClub edlala le eSpain. So currently Mamelodi Sundowns, they were looking for a player that was going to replace that player, that star player that was Lucas Ribeiro. So they've went to South America again to sign another player who is playing for iClub kakhulu. Leyo club leyo sathanda kudayisa nje umdlali wayale kwiclub yase-Italy i-Udinese. So iMamelodi Sundowns, they've made a purchase of 3.7 million US dollars. Mase uyiconvert ke leyo mali leyo 57 million rands. So iMamelodi Sundowns have spent an amount of 57 million rands to purchase this player right here. He will play la eSouth Africa bafethu. Umdlali ngenzeka announce nanominini. Mamelodi Sundowns are really serious to win i-league bafethu. Orlando Pirates are really pushing Mamelodi Sundowns to their fullest. Le ndaba indlela eyishube yakhona uFabrizio Romano uze wayiconfirma ngempela. So bafethu Mamelodi Sundowns are going to get a new star player. Angazi ke baningi abadlali abafikayo bengasasucceed basuka le South America. Sayazi ke Sundowns idumile ngama South Americans, but again this one, it is a very unique South American because he is a striker. Remember, they have Salles. Salles is a very good player too. Salles, their strikers currently, it's Peter Shalulile, you have Ikram Reyners, you have Salles, and you also have Motiba. So this striker right here, so I'm sure uzoba umdlali ozodlala each and every game. Do you think uzofika kwi-Sundowns akwazi ukuthi afike abulo mdlali loyo their go-to guy, noma ngekazi akwazi ukuthi ayithole i-game time? Because remember, Ikram Reyners is one of the hottest strikers we have kwi-Betway Premiership. So kumele kube khona ushintsho luba khona. Ingabe yini ubani lo coach lo Miguel Cardoso owephusha ama South Africans ukuthi angadlali lapha? Asazi. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying, when wangitshela ama comments, are you looking forward to see this player? I'm not judging the book by its cover. We've judged Lucas Ribeiro engakafiki eMamelodi Sundowns, but he surprised a lot of football fans. The player was phenomenal. So I'm looking forward to see umjita usiphatheleni. Yabo, it's nice to see players playing for other leagues across the world coming to play in PSL. Mamelodi Sundowns is very good in doing, isn't it, Ganjalo, taking players from other leagues and bringing them here into the South African League. We want to see a competitive football, and we want to see a lot of teams across the world to look into our league, because they already see this Bafana Bafana side performing really well in the global stage. So these teams will look into our league and see these type of players, and they will want to come and sign our South African players and sign to our players who are playing in this league. This league will get a lot of attention and will get more global brands to come and sponsor this league. So I'm very happy to see such signings getting made by Mamelodi Sundowns. But again, there are lots of youngsters coming from that Mamelodi Sundowns team. What will happen with those youngsters? That's the main big question, because there are many youngsters who don't usually get game time when they come from Mamelodi Sundowns. But again, Mamelodi Sundowns have a big opportunity to squeeze to take the league if this signing just steps on and provides good things for Sundowns.